Hello everyone, this is Ellen Thompson-Jennings. I call myself the Family History Hound, but you knew that. I am spending a little time out at the lake lot, but I thought I'd pop on here today and talk to you about something called photo guilt. Now, many of you might know what I'm talking about. It's where you're the keeper of the photos and you just don't know where to even begin. You have so many things and so many different kinds of media that you just feel a little overwhelmed, and you don't have to feel that way. So let's have a look at Forever. We have a new fresh look, and I can show you a couple of things that will help you with your photo guilt. So let's have a look. So here we are at Forever, and you can get there by going to forever.com. You'll see in the center that this is where you choose your ambassador, and I hope you choose me. But two things that I wanted to point out before we talk about photo guilt, and that is if you go to this icon, you'll see that little bell, and this is where you can go to if you have downloaded something from your library or one of your albums or etc. You can go here and then you can download those photographs right directly into your computer. The other thing is if you go to the products tab, and you'll see now that's where you find the deals. So when Forever has a special price and a promo, this is where you can get the promo codes, and this is where you'll see when that special ends. So those are two important things to remember. So we were talking about photo guilt, and I know I had photo guilt at one time, and it's just that feeling of I have so many things to deal with my genealogy and my photos and videos, and what am I going to do with all of it? Because my dad literally dumped boxes and boxes on me, and how do you deal with that? So this is how I dealt with it. Some of it I scanned myself, and I did upload it to my account, and you can see that you can do that through your library, or you can go over here to your library. The other thing I did was I did digitize things. So there are two types of boxes that you can use to do this, and there's a standard box and a specialty box. And a standard box is where you choose 2, 10, or 20 items, and then what you're purchasing your shipping, and it's three-way shipping. So the box is shipped to you, you fill it up with the number of items, and then you return it to Forever. They digitize it and they return the box to you. Now, if you choose a 10-item box and you go to fill the box and you realize, wow, I have 12 items, well, then just put those things in the box and you will get the same price for digitizing those as you did the other items. So if you got a special price, then you're going to get that same discount on those extra items. Don't worry. The other kind of box you can get is a specialty box. And when you buy a specialty box, you're actually purchasing a box credit. So think of it kind of like a gift card or whatever you want to call it. And so you fill the box with it's especially good for things that are oversized or large bulk orders of lots of items. Each of the items that you're getting digitized has a price, and the price of those items are removed or are taken off your box credit until you use it all up. And if you go over your box credit, that's the same situation. You will just be charged for those extra items. And if you got a special price, you're going to get a special price on that as well. So that's one solution for photo guilt. The other solution is, how do you preserve and look after your photos? Well, I purchased my account. I started out with just 10 gig, but you can purchase 10 gig, or you can purchase all the way up to 100 gig if you want, or more. So you just, like what I did was I purchased and I bought bits and pieces whenever I had some extra money. And what's different about it from other cloud storage like that you find is that those cloud storage, it's a monthly fee. And then the problem is what happens when you pass away. So with Forever, you're paying for your storage, and once you pay for it, you're finished. You don't have to pay anything more until you need to buy more storage. And it's also different because it's a permanent digital home for your items, and you actually make somebody the beneficiary of your account, because this account is backed up by the Forever guarantee. So it's going to preserve your photos, videos, genealogy, you name it, whatever you can put in the account, it's going to preserve it for your lifetime plus 100 years. So you're making somebody the beneficiary. They can't change your album. They can help you curate your albums, but they cannot delete anything. It's your account. So these are two of the things that I did to help me with my photo guilt, and I don't want you to have to deal with photo guilt. So if you need any help, please be sure to contact me. I'm here to help you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.